Hey, what's good, nerds? So today we got a little Gamecrafter order for you guys. So we got Chaos Galaxy Battle Box, which was in the it was on clearance essentially, which is really cool. We got Wrath of Course 2 and the first ever Wrath of Course 1 pack. I haven't opened up Wrath of Course 1. I mean Wrath of Course 2 like ever. So I'm gonna do that. We got. See if I can do this with one hand. Caltrops. Defending Kyoto. Underground Mines. Voodoo Doll. Oh, we got an uncommon glare. Okay, whatever. Home of the Oni. Cannon Blast. Demonic Wisp. Recruitment. Black Cat. Training Dummies. Witch of Flames. Ring of Fire. Sprung Miasma. Flaming Guard. Toya Temple. That's the art card thing. That's what the back was for. I was asking Chris what these are for. Okay, whatever. Longest Nightfall. And Fort. Something or other. What was our rare in here? Did I not get a rare? I mean, I didn't get a royalty rare, so I'm real upset. Not really. These cards are amazing, Chris. Good job with these. So, yeah. I'm going to move on to the Chaos Galaxy Battle Box, and then we'll save this bad boy for last. Okay, so we got the Chaos Galaxy Battle Box. Let's see what we got in here. Really?
Bruh.
Okay, Firebolt. Swirlpool. Just looking for rares and stuff. Creature Conjure, that's pretty good. That's a rare. No, we're guaranteed one rare or ridiculously rare, I think. Okay, yep, we got one of the limited edition ones. Man, Flacky's good. Rare. And really rare. Okay, Divine Doom. And Polysium, my favorite planet. Let's go. Alright. Now, for Wrath of Course GVE 2016. Let's get it out of here. Extinction. Okay, no royalty rare, but still good. Glare rares are always appreciated here. Still, can't forget the time that I got my... Ooh, God Summon, okay. Glare royalty rare and Akira. Nice. Well, that's where I'm going to have to leave it off for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see y'all real soon. Peace!